Woodward-Fisher's rule. What is Woodward-Fisher's rule? କୌଣସି compoundର lambda max to find the lambda max value. To find the lambda max value of any compound, then we have to do experiment ultraviolet spectroscopy experiment. From ultraviolet spectroscopy experiment, we can find the lambda max of any compound which absorb in visible ultraviolet visible region. The compound which absorb the radiation in ultraviolet visible region will show ultraviolet spectra which is found in experiment. But always doing experiment to find the lambda max value, it is not portable. It is not easiest way to do experiment. Suppose this is a butadiene system. This is butadiene system. I want to find the lambda max of this butadiene system. Then put in the solution. Put in the solution. Then incident of UV ray. Then interpret the spectra. Then find the lambda max value. This is a long-term process. This is a long-term process. So Woodward and Fisher try to find the lambda max of value this compound or maybe this type of any compound. There is considered a theoretical rule. There is considered a theoretical rule which is known as Woodward-Fisher's rule. Woodward and Fisher consider a theoretical rule to define the lambda max of any compound is called Woodward-Fisher's rule. By Woodward-Fisher rule, you can define the lambda max of any compound by theoretically. By remembering some basic value of some basic lambda value of compounds, you can define the lambda max of any compound. So first write a note about this. The to find to find lambda max value of any compound then we have to do experiment and interpret the spectra, which is a long-term process, process. So Woodward and Fisher. So Woodward and Fisher try to define a theoretical rule. Try to give, try to give, try to give a theoretical rule. A theoretical rule that is called that is called Wood Woodward Woodward Fisher's rule. Woodward Fisher's rule. Okay, then आगू ଯିବା चलो let us go. Woodward Fisher's rule for dyne system. There are two systems for a chromophore. For a chromophore, for a chromophore means which absorb UV ultraviolet radiation. Chromophore, there are two types of chromophore or two types of system. Chromophore वाला dyne system, butadiene, betadine, just like betadine is the example. Another chromophore is enone, ENO, enone system. Enone system. Dyne system, enone system. The dyne system is one type of chromophore. Enone system is also one type of a chromophore. First, I will see the Woodward Fisher's rule for dyne system. For dyne system. So let us go dyne system. In dyne system, we will discuss Woodward Fisher's rule. Woodward Fisher's rule for dyne system. Dyne means two double bond in a compound. Dyne. Dyne system. Dyne. DIEN. Dyne. Dyne means two double bond in a compound. Dyne system may be acyclic dyne system, cyclic dyne system, cyclic dyne system. Acyclic means, suppose example, C double bond C. This is one type butadiene. Why it is called dyne? Two double bond in its species. So this is butadiene is acyclic, or you can say C double bond C double bond C double bond C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexadiene. The hexadiene. These are acyclic dyne system. These are acyclic dyne system. Cyclic dyne system. What is cyclic dyne system? Cyclic dyne system means cyclic dyne system. Cyclic dyne system. Cyclic dyne system. This is one type of cyclic dyne, or you can write this is one type of cyclic dyne system. These are cyclic dyne systems. So applying Woodward Fisher rule for the dyne systems. So first you have to remember some basic value. Basic value means these dyne system has a lambda max value. Lambda max value. These dyne system is also have a lambda max value. यार किसी तो लैम्बडा अच्छी यार तो किसी लैम्बडा अच्छी এই कंपाउंड रो जो लैम्बडा वैल्यू थिबो दैट इज बेसिक वैल्यू और पैरेंट वैल्यू बुझिन पैरेंट चेन এই ভ্যালু रो सेमती जहां लैम्बडा मैक्स थिबो दैट इज बेसिक वैल्यू लैम्बडा वुडवर्ड रूल कैलकुलेट कला समय रे प्राय टाइम देखुचंदी there is basic value is present. Basic value means the ring system, the parent chain रो value, parent chain रो lambda max value जहा that is basic value. ये यही parent chain ये गोटे parent chain एथिरे किछि सब्सटेंस लागिछि और सीएच लागिछि तो what is basic value? Basic value is the chain. ये तो substituent को छाड़ी देले जो रहला हमर parent chain रो जो lambda max आसिला that is basic value. Similarly this is cyclobutadiene this is one CH3 present here one R is present. What is the basic value? ये जो cyclobutadiene रो lambda max value the lambda max value तो cyclobutadiene this system is called basic value. This is called substituent or this is called alkali substituent. This is alkyl substituent. This is also alkyl substituent. Then alkali substituent ro kiछि lambda max value thibo that are added. So तो देखिए first you have to remember मन रखिया पड़िबो कोन some basic value का मन रखिया पड़िबो then हम कैलकुलेट करि परिबा lambda max of any compound. चलो let us go discuss this. Some basic value for acyclic diene or cyclic diene. Lambda value C double bond C, then single bond C double bond C. Sorry. C double bond C, then C double bond C. This is sorry. This is C. This is C. This is also C. This is also C. Here, in according to single bond रो both side रे C double bond C, C double bond C अछि. So this type of system is called cis diene system. Why cis double bond C present in same position, same side. Single bond रो same side रे double bond C present. This cis butadiene system. Cis butadiene or diene system. Why butadiene? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon cis butadiene system. Similarly, if C double bond C single bond thibo, then C double bond C double bond is opposite side, in opposite corner. So this is trans butadiene or diene system. Cis butadiene system, trans butadiene system. The lambda max value first acyclic रो हम लिखि दउची then हम cyclic first acyclic then हम cyclic दिबा first acyclic देखिबा first ला cis butadiene रो lambda max value यार lambda max value is equal to for cis butadiene system lambda max value is equal to 253 nanometer. 253 nanometer for cis dyne system. This is cis dyne system. Acyclic system, but cis dyne system 253 Na. But for trans dyne system, lambda max value is equal to 214 Na. 214 Na. ये जो ये है बेसिक वैल्यू. दिस बेसिक वैल्यू वी हैव टू रिमेंबर. याको हमें मन रखिया पड़िबो. या उपाय नहीं, किसी उपाय नहीं, याको मन रखिया पड़िबो. cis butadiene, so 253 Na lambda max. Trans butadiene 214 nanometer. For acyclic dyne system, this is for acyclic dyne system. Acyclic dyne system. Similarly, cyclic dyne system, because cyclic dyne system is cyclic dyne system. This is cyclic dyne system for cyclic dyne system. Cyclic dyne system. Sorry. So cyclic dyne system. Suppose the development position is the same. So cis, that is cis dyne, cis cyclic dyne, or it is also called what? Homoannular. Means same ring ray. If double bond present, if double bond, two double bond is present in the same ring, that is called homoannular dyne system. Homoannular dyne system. For homoannular dyne system, lambda max value एमती डायन सिस्टम एमती ही पारे. और यदि कौन सी रिंग और हम लिख पारे एठी एमती ही परिबो. You can write here two ring system, one type of ring, one type of ring, double here. The homoannular dyne system, for this the lambda max value is equal to what? Lambda max value. Acyclic dyne system re lambda max value was what? Cis dyne pai thila 253. So here also homoannular dyne pai 253 nm. 253 nm. Then another ring. If double bond is present in two rings, here and here. See here. If two double bond is present in two rings, two different rings, that is heteroannular. Trans dyne or heteroannular dyne system. Lambda max इस सिस्टम पे lambda max है 214 nm. 214 nanometer. These are some basic value you have to remember. Then we will discuss the substituent. When substituent attached to this compound, this is a parent chain. This is a parent chain or basic value. These are basic values. So first substituent. देखिए substituent by different substituent by different lambda max value. substituent substituent number one is alkyl substituent. Alkyl substituent lambda max value is equal to 5 nanometer. Alkyl substituent by lambda max value is equal to 5 nanometer. What is the alkyl substituent? When alkyl group when alkyl group is directly attached C double bond C. When alkyl group is directly attached to C double bond C, then alkyl group is called alkyl substituent. For example, this is a diene system. Suppose this is a heteroannular diene system. If one alkyl group is present here, another present is here, then we should consider କାହାର contribution, the contribution of alkyl substituent. କୋଉ alkyl group ର contribution ଆମେ ନେବା but କିଏ କାହାକୁ ନେଇଯିବାନି। ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି କ'ଣ alkyl substituent C ହବ ଯିଏ directly attached to the C double bond C. There is no double bond, so this is not alkyl substituent. This is not alkyl substituent. This is directly attached to C double bond C, so this is the alkyl substituent. Contribution lambda max equal to 5 nm. Similarly, ring residue. What is the ring residue? Contribution kete? Then number 2 hela ring residue. Ring residue by lambda max is equal to say 5 nm. What is the ring residue? Ring residue कौन? CC single bond. CC single bond is directly attached to C double bond. Then this is called ring residue. This is called ring residue. For example, ring residue example. This is diene system. This is on diene system. So double bond here is already present, and double bond is here. So first, see here. What is ring residue? The carbon-carbon single bond directly attached to carbon double bond. This is carbon-carbon double bond. Here, this is single bond. The carbon-carbon single bond. This is directly attached to this. This is one ring residue. This is also carbon-carbon single bond directly attached to double bond. So this is the one ring residue. But a bond not considered ring residue because this is total a diene system. Total diene system मझिरे जा सी कोन रिंग रेसिड्यू हे परिबो नाही. So बाहर this is ring residue, this is also one type direct attached, this is ring residue. So 1 2 3, there are 3 ring residue. The one ring residue contributes 5 nm. 3 ring residue 5 into 3 15 nm. Our example देखिए consider another example. Suppose consider border ring देखिए big ring. Suppose this is compound. then it another 1 2 3 another compound. Suppose double bond, one double bond is here, one double bond is here. Then find the ring residue. There is no alkyl substance, alkyl nahi. So what are the ring residue? So this is not ring residue because this is the alkyl system. So this is the diene system. Diene system बाहर है देखो एक डबल बॉन्ड डायरेक्ट डबल बॉन्ड को ये अटैच ହେଇଛି कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड डायरेक्ट अटैच टू कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. So one ring residue. Similarly, ये one another ring residue. Similarly, you are another ring residue. But these are not ring residue because these are not attached to double bond. So there are three ring residue. That is 5 NaOH. I'm calculation ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି କାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଉଛି ring residue କାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଉଛି alkali substrate କାହାର contribution କେତେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି then ତାପରେ ଆମେ calculation କରିବା question ନେଇ. Next is exocyclic double bond. Number 3 substitute is exocyclic double bond. Contribution केते? What is exocyclic double bond? Exocyclic double bond. Number 3 है exocyclic double bond. Double bond. So lambda max is equal to 5 nm. Say 5 nm. 5 nm. 5 nm. What is exocyclic double bond? See this ring. कौनसी कंपाउंड रे कौनसी रिंग रे ये रिंग रे साइक्लिक रिंग डायरेक्ट जो बॉन्ड दिस डायरेक्ट डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन को रिंग रे कौनसी कार्बन को डायरेक्ट जो डबल बॉन्ड लगी थी वो दैट इज एक्सोसाइक्लिक डबल बॉन्ड रिंग एनी रिंग इन एनी रिंग रे कार्बन को डायरेक्ट डबल बॉन्ड लगी थी दैट इज एक्सोसाइक्लिक double bond. एठी देखो एक्सोसाइक्लिक बॉन्ड. This is one type of ring. This is one ring. Ring रे डायरेक्ट कार्बन लगी डबल बॉन्ड. This is one exocyclic double bond. Exocyclic double bond. एठी देखो डबल बॉन्ड. ये कौन सी रिंग रे कार्बन लगी सी देखो एठी डबल बॉन्ड नहीं एठी भी नहीं. This is not exocyclic double bond. Exocyclic means रिंग रे कार्बन को डायरेक्ट लगी थी वो the carbon with double bond that is exocyclic double bond. So there is only one exocyclic double bond. Our example लिख पड़े हमें another example see here. Suppose this is the ring. जाओ नहीं देखिए हमें आओ देखिए. Suppose and the ring consider. So first double bond is here, double bond is here, and double bond is here. So this is one type of ring. How many exocyclic double bond? Exocyclic double bond. See here. This double bond is not attached to directly any carbon of the ring. This is not exocyclic. But see this is carbon directly attached. So one. See this is carbon of the ring. This ring. So this is a 2. This is a 1. This is a 2. A ring ये exocyclic bond, A ring ये exocyclic bond. But एठी कौन सी रिंग अच्छी क्यों नहीं? सो देयर आर टू एक्सोसाइक्लिक डबल बॉन्ड. Next, double bond extended conjugation. Double bond extended conjugation. Next, we'll see double bond extended conjugation. What is double bond extended conjugation? See here. Double bond extended conjugation. Or for double bond extended conjugation. Extended conjugation. Lambda max contribution केते ना 30 nm. 30 nm. Extended means extra conjugation. Double bond extra conjugation. Parent ring, basic ring, parent ring को छाड़ी देले बाकी जो डबल बॉन्ड रहिला आडी डबल बॉन्ड एक्सटेंडेड conjugation. See here, double bond extended conjugation कौन? Example, suppose example चलेगा है one ring, another ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one ring is present here, one double bond is here, one double bond is here. The three double bonds. First choose the parent chain. The parent chain may be homoannular, may be heteroannular. See here. If consider this is parent chain, this is heteroannular because this ring with double bond, this ring with double bond. This is heteroannular. If we change this is parent chain, this is parent chain, so this is homoannular because in same ring two double bond. ध्यान दियो, बहुत इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट. जदि कौन सी सिस्टम रे, कौन सी रिंग सिस्टम रे दे आर प्रेजेंट two dyne system, homoannular dyne system, heteroannular dyne system. Then first we have to remember that homoannular dyne system is considered as parent chain. जोड़ी both heteroannular थिबो homoannular थिबो, homoannular को parent chain basic value निया जाए एथिपाई homoannular रो basic value lambda max value अधिक थाए. So this is the parent chain. Let's see here. हम कहल parent chain को छाड़ी देले extra conjugation. देखोडी येरा parent chain गोटे bond छाड़ी देला then double bond. So there is present one extra conjugation. Conjugation means alternate double bond. येला parent chain single bond double bond. This is a extra conjugation. So this is there is a one double bond extended conjugation. There is one double bonded extended conjugation. First parent chain choose करिवो, then देखिवो alternate double bond अछि कि extra double bond अछि कि in alternate position. Then that is a double bond extended conjugation. Double bond extended conjugation. यदि मु कहिबे एठी extra आउ गोटे bond अछि एठी double bond अछि. सपोज ए कंपाउंड रे पछारे डबल बॉन्ड एक्सटेंडेड conjugation केतरा अछि डी. Then this is parent chain. See here, double bond, then single double bond. This is also extra conjugation. This is also extra conjugation. So two double bond extended conjugation. So 2 and 30, 60 nm add contributes. যদি এই বন্ড এଠି নথান্তা, এଠି থান্তা, this is double bond here, then this is not extended conjugation because it is not conjugate double bond. उठाई double bond नहीं, ये conjugation होनी, so this is not considered. Only one double bond considered. One double bond extended conjugation is considered. So this is double bond extended conjugation. Last is the group, the polar group. polar group ର contribution देखिए लास्ट ଆସିବ polar group ର contribution parent chain ରେ ଯଦି କୌଣସି polar group ଥିବ ତାହାର contribution नंबर 5 ହେଲା polar group that are polar group କଣ କଣ ହେଇପାରିବ ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି ଏଠି OR ହେଇପାରେ OR R में भी CH3 C2H5 OR ର lambda max value is equal to 6 nm OR similarly chlorine और bromine यदि chlorine थाए और bromine ये भी थाओ chlorine भी थाओ और bromine थाओ lambda max कितने is equal to say 5 nm यदि कौन सी एमतिया ग्रुप थी OCOCH3 just like ester lambda max किछि न था is equal to 0 this is 0 value 0 nm 0 no contribution और NR2 polar group रो lambda max is equal to R में भी CH3 C2H5 alkyl group बहुत अधिका 60 nm 60 nm these are the contribution ध्यान दो ठी these groups are mostly attached to double bond को direct attach ହେଇଥିବ it is count otherwise it is not a count suppose যদি କହିବି ଏଠି କଣ ମୁଁ this is one system double bond here homoannular system suppose ଏଇଠି ଲାଗିଛି OR direct double bond को OR लागनी so this is not consider if OR is present here then OR contribution with 6 nm is added consider so these are the different substituents and their contribution of lambda value so चलो देखिवा किछि प्रॉब्लम किछि क्वेश्चन केमति करिया किछि क्वेश्चन केमति करिया some question answer some question answer so write some questions suppose first question calculate lambda value calculate lambda max question हैला question is CH3 this is OR so first la basic value lambda max value कितना होगा this is a heteroannular dyne system hetero पाई थिला केते 214 nm 214 nm then देखिबा ring residue double bond लागि छै देखे one single carbon single bond one carbon single bond also ये नंबर दिया दिबो या भीतर अछि this is another 1 2 3 ring residue so 3 into 5 one ring is 5 nm so 3 into 5 then देखिए alkyl substituent किछ अछि कि एठी हां alkyl अछि but it is not substituent because direct double bond को ये लागिनी so this is not consider so lambda alkyl substituent केते थी 0 कौन से नहीं alkyl substituent then देखिए exocyclic double bond exocyclic double bond अछि कि here ए रिंग पाई देखो एडी वन डबल बॉन्ड ए रिंग पे अच्छी कि नो दिस इज नॉट कंसीडर so one isocyclic that is 5 nm one isocyclic 5 nm double bond conjugation there is any conjugation any other double bond अच्छी कि नहीं no double bond extended conjugation is zero कौन सी नहीं एठी there is no double bond extended conjugation then देखिए polar group there is any polar group हाँ yes polar group कौन OR OR डायरेक्ट डबल बॉन्ड को अटैच OR ହେଇଛି so it contributes 6 nm total ଯାହା ଆସିବ that is lambda max value lambda max is equal to add କଲେ फाइनली हमको केते मिलियो if I add this you get 240 nm in this way we can calculate any question I mean dying system देखुଛନ୍ତି I mean dying system next ଅଛି immune system याकू बुझला परे इम्यून सिस्टम भी बेसिक वैल्यू मन रखी देबो तार करि परिबो मु इम्यून सिस्टम कहून एठी इम्यून सिस्टम रो बेसिक वैल्यू जहा अछि बहिर ताको देइछि बहिर ताको घोषिबो बेसिक वैल्यू ऑफ सम इम्यून सिस्टम देन ये भले कोन लैम्डा मैक्स वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करि परिबो आउट क्वेश्चन देखियो यार आउट क्वेश्चन another question another question suppose क्वेश्चन हैला कोन एमि क्वेश्चन देछि देखो क्वेश्चन हैला कोन this then bond 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 this is one this is two 1 2 3 4 5 6 then हम अच्छी एमती लागिछि then something else here given this is your double bond double bond here double bond another double bond is here double bond how double bond is a T double bond this is another double bond here is the OR here is the NAR2 given so calculate lambda max calculate lambda max so first la basic value kahu kon do two dyne system this is the heterodyne system this is homodyne system so homodyne system lambda max value अधिका so ता consider करिया first कोन एठी बेसी value कहार homo नोडी parents है कि homo anladyne so basic value homo पे केते 253 nm homo anladyne system पे 253 nm ring residue see your ring residue the double bond here one then a carbon carbon single bond direct attached to double bond a carbon carbon single bond direct attached to double bond this is also this is not this is not this is also and this is also so 1 2 3 1 2 3 ଆଉ ଅଛି କି ଦେଖ ଏଠି no 1 2 3 4 so 4 ring residue 4 ring acid is equal to 4 into 5 डबल बॉन्ड तापर दिन देखिबा हमें alkyl substituent कौन से alkyl group नहीं no there is no alkyl substituent alkyl substituent is not zero alkyl substituent ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ zero एक्सोसाइक्लिक ଅଛି କି ଏଇ ରିଙ୍ଗ ପାଇଁ ଦେଖିବା ଗୋଟିଏ ହଁ ଅଛି ଏଇ ରିଙ୍ଗ ପାଇଁ ଦେଖିବା नो और ଏଇ ରିଙ୍ଗ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ହଁ ଅଛି 2 ଆଉ ଅଛି କି नो so 2 एक्सोसाइक्लिक 2 and 2 5 2 एक्सोसाइक्लिक डबल बॉन्ड एक्सटेंडेड कंजुगेशन अछि की यस this is parent saying this is one conjugation so 1 yes 30 nm then polar group any polar group अछि की yes but these are not considered because this polar group is not directly attached to double bond so need to consider is also not considered there is no polar group polar contribution zero याको ऐड कर दे लैम्ब्डा मैक्स फिर हमरा आसे जीवो so this was the Woodward-Fisher rule for dynamic system. So do practice yourself more and more question, then you can understand